Hello everyone and welcome back. Have you ever been asked, "What did you do yesterday?" Perhaps by your teacher, a friend, or during an English interview. Many English learners understand English, but when they need to answer this simple question, they are unsure which words to use. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. In today's lesson, you will learn how to talk about what you did yesterday using the past simple tense. You will also learn useful vocabulary and 3 natural examples that you can use in real life. So, let's get started. What is the past simple tense? We use the past simple tense to talk about actions that started and finished in the past. For example, I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I went to school. I studied English. I watched TV. I went to bed. Notice that all of these actions happened yesterday or at a specific time in the past. Now let's see how native speakers describe their day yesterday. Example 1, a student. Hello. My name is Sahir, and I am a student. Yesterday was a busy but enjoyable day. I woke up at 6:30 in the morning. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and took a shower. Then I got dressed and had breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I went to school. I attended all my classes and listened carefully to my teachers. I answered questions and took notes during the lessons. During the break, I talked with my friends and ate a sandwich. In the afternoon, I came home and had lunch. Later, I completed my homework and revised my English lesson. In the evening, I played football with my friends for about an hour. At night, I had dinner with my family, watched a short movie, and went to bed around 10 o'clock. Yesterday was a productive day, and I really enjoyed it. Example 2, an office worker. Hello. My name is Sarah, and I work in an office. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 o'clock. After getting ready, I had breakfast and left for work. When I arrived at the office, I checked my emails, attended 2 meetings, answered several phone calls, and completed my important tasks. At lunchtime, I ate with my coworkers and talked about our weekend plans. In the afternoon, I finished my project and sent it to my manager. After work, I returned home, relaxed for a while, cooked dinner, and spent time with my family. Before going to bed, I read a few pages of a book and slept peacefully. Overall, yesterday was a busy but successful day. Example 3, a homemaker. Hello. My name is Aisha, and I am a homemaker. Yesterday, I woke up early and prepared breakfast for my family. After breakfast, I cleaned the house, washed the dishes, and did the laundry. Then I cooked lunch and organized the kitchen. In the afternoon, I visited a nearby market and bought some groceries. Later, I came home and rested for a short time. In the evening, I prepared dinner and enjoyed a lovely meal with my family. Before sleeping, I cleaned the kitchen, prepared everything for the next morning, and went to bed feeling happy. Yesterday was a wonderful and peaceful day. Useful past tense words. When talking about yesterday, these words are very useful. Yesterday, last night, last morning, last afternoon, then, after that, later, finally, first, in the evening, and night. Useful past tense verbs. Wake, woke, go, went, eat, ate, have had, come, came, seesaw, take, took, read, read, write, wrote, buy, bought, make, made, do, did, drink, drank, sleep, slept, speak, spoke. Learn these verbs because you will use them every day. Whenever you talk about yesterday, remember to use the past simple tense. Instead of saying, I go to school yesterday, say, I went to school yesterday. Instead of saying, I eat breakfast yesterday, say, I ate breakfast yesterday. Small changes like these make your English sound natural and correct. The best way to improve your English is to speak every day. Try describing what you did yesterday in your own words. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next English lesson. Until then, keep learning and keep speaking English every day.